So satisfying, guys.
That is the world's most ugliest slime.
What are you gonna do back to the Slimeatory? Alright guys, so today I am gonna be trying to fix my most ugly slime ever. So I have all types of slimes. I got crunchy slimes, pokey slimes, glossy slimes, pretty slimes, glittery slimes, pigment slimes, and I also have the world's most ugly slime. Yeah, that's right. So I'm gonna be trying to fix it. I'm gonna try and give it a little makeover, you know, maybe like try and make it like green by like painting it, or like maybe try and make it like completely just black and then putting some clay in it so that it'll turn into like some type of soul butter, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna see what I can do with this slime, and hopefully I can do something with it. But also guys, we're gonna be having another video. It'll be August 11th. It is so close. I am so freaking excited. If this one is just gonna be like a little slime back to school unicorn slime party type deal, and it's gonna be from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. at Arizona Mills Mall. It's gonna be so freaking fun. You guys should definitely come. We just did one. It was so fun. And you know, if you couldn't come to the other one, you can come to this one, hopefully. So yeah. And also there'll be more details in the description down below. And tonight's like my challenge. We try to like with you. No. You guys have to act like a bird. You go You guys comment down below which kind of bird you decide to do, and if you guys were at Walmart or like at McDonald's or something, yeah. And then for the like button, let's get straight on into the video. Yo! Alright, so here are the most ugly slimes from my collection, so let me check them out. Okay, so first we got this one. This one, I don't know, it's brown, it's got like green glitter in the bottom or something, so let's see what the heck is going on in here. By the way, guys, I can't explain what happened to my hands. I can't.
She became a zombie.
Yeah. Guys, I did a tie-dye challenge and it didn't go the best, guys. It did not go well. Okay, so here's the slime. Let's go ahead and mix it because I think there's like some pigment or some powder on the bottom. We're gonna see what is going down there. Doesn't seem too bad. It's actually pretty nice and thick. I think it was a clear pigment slime before. Do you guys know where this is from? Comment down below. I don't know where this is from. Alright guys, well apparently it doesn't look bad. It kind of just needed a little bit of mixing. Kind of just looks like a galaxy. Alright. Okay, well I'm just gonna go ahead and activate it and we'll see how it looks then. Okay, so I'm thinking that we should keep it like this because it looks really pretty, but I'm also thinking we should add some gold food coloring, not food coloring, gold pigment, and it'll like have like a pearlescent cool look, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, I got some gold pigment. I'm gonna put that much. This is gonna make it look ugly, isn't it?
Now it's the world's most ugliest slime.
It was so beautiful before. Why did I add that? Oh my god! It's not terrible.
But it doesn't have that gold thing that you wanted.
Yeah, and it doesn't have the nice little dark thing that it had. Okay, let's activate it now. Okay, almost done. Ooh, look at how that looks. This looks cool. These are some cringy hands right there. Here is the slime. Beautiful. Am I right or am I wrong?
Can you make it black?
No. I don't have any black food coloring, but it would look cool black. What if we made it blue? That strong blue food coloring, you know?
Do it. Can't get much worse than what it is right now.
It's not that bad. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and put the blue in it, and the blue's really strong, so I'm gonna see if that can help it. Okay, guys, so I got the blue. Let's go ahead and color it now. So we're gonna see how that does. Okay, so let's go ahead and mix this. Oh my god, did you see that? Is it really gonna fix it? If it does, that is crazy. Dang, this blue dye is crazy.
That looks much better.
Okay, here it is. Ta-da! Okay, so here's how it turned out, guys. Actually looks pretty good. I am very surprised that it actually like dyed it. I don't know if it was like the blue food coloring or that just because it was like gray, it was easy to dye, but like this blue food coloring is really strong, so I think that's why it was like really good. But like, Jesus, you see this? That was 2 drops of blue food coloring, guys. That's crazy. Okay, well, I cannot wait for this slime to clear up. Like, it's gonna be so freaking beautiful, guys. Okay, guys, let's just do a little before and after picture. All right, let's go ahead and work some of my magic on the next slime. This next slime, guys, I have absolutely no idea where the heck it's from. Like, I don't even know. But it's got clay in the top, and it smells good though. Like, it smells really good, like strawberries or something, like strawberry tea. Oh wow, that's a lot thicker than I expected. Okay, maybe this slime isn't too bad. I don't know how I'm gonna fix it though. Okay, well, this is obviously like a halfway butter slime, so let me just activate it and let me just see what I can do after. Okay, let's go ahead and put the activator.
That's a lot of activator.
It's enough. It smells so good though, guys. It smells fantastic. Guys, me playing with this slime is taking the tie-dye off my hands. So it turned out to just a gray slime. Here's the slime, guys. It's very ugly. World's ugliest slime. Okay, now let me just go ahead and pop into my little workshop over there and see what I can do to this slime. Okay, guys, here's my workshop. How about we put some Daiso clay? I think so. Okay, let's put Daiso clay. Okay, so here's how it is, guys. Let me just show you really quick. I actually really like the texture right now, but I feel like it would be better when I put the butter. Not the butter, the Daiso clay. Goodbye, beautiful slime. I don't even know what the heck kind of texture you are. Let's go ahead and add the clay. I'm gonna add like half a block or just a little bit because I don't know how much this needs. I think it already has clay in it. Oh yeah, it does. Okay, well this is what it turned into, guys. I don't know what to do now. I don't know what to do, guys. I mean, it looks pretty good like this. Looks like a little bunny, donkey. Yeah, a donkey. It's an elephant. That's what it is, elephant. So I'm debating whether I should put some, just keep it like this or put some pink food coloring. Because I don't know if the pink food coloring is gonna look good. If I add the pink food coloring, it'll make it look like a type of berry butter. I think I'm just gonna keep it like this. This is my elephant butter. Let's do a little before and after. Okay, well, I think I did a pretty good job on fixing this. What do you guys think? Okay. Next one, guys, is this one. I have no idea where the heck this is either, where this is from. I don't know even what's going on. I don't really even want to touch it because it seems like it smells bad. So let's just really, it's not bad. I mean, it just smells like kind of like Tide or something. What was going on here, guys? This is so weird, but it looks cool. Is this pigment? Seems like a lot of these slimes just kind of need a little bit of mixing and some TFC. Oh no, not TFC, guys. It's TLC. There we go. Tender loving care. Okay, guys. So here's the slime. It seems like it was like a pigment slime, but it kind of still looks like poop, like a poopy pigment. So we're gonna go ahead and activate it, and then we'll see what we can do. Let's see what Ameerah's workshop can do. So satisfying, guys.
That is the world's most ugliest slime.
So here's the slime, guys.
Ew.
Look at my hands, first of all. They look really cool. Just don't look at the red part.
That's all there is.
Anyways, it's like really sparkly. It looks really cool. So I don't know what is going on with this slime. But I honestly have no idea if I could fix this. I'm thinking, oh, I have an idea. Okay, let me just go ahead and go to my workshop really quick. 1 second. The elevator got stuck. Okay, so I got some instant snow, and we're gonna try and make this slime into a cloud fluff. So this could be a very good color for a brownie batter fluff type deal. So that's what I'm gonna try to aim for. So we got this instant snow right here. We're just gonna dump that all on top. Uh-oh. I didn't overactivate. But you're not. I forgot to overactivate, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and start pushing this in. Okay, it's looking really gross. It kind of looks like dirt. So yeah. But it'll look good in a little bit, okay? Just trust me. Okay, I decided I'm gonna add a little bit of the just powder snow without any water because I feel like that will help it. But it seems like it's going good so far. It looks kind of good now. I have high hopes for this one. I feel like it's gonna look really cool, guys.
I still don't like it, Ameerah. You need to fix it sparkly and beautiful.
Well, that's impossible, Paul.
Give me a little piece. I'll make it.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're not allowed to use my recollection. Or my pigment. Okay, I think I'm gonna add a little bit more snow, and I'm just gonna let it kind of let the snow expand in there. Okay, let's let this sit and let them expand.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so here's how it turned out so far. Here, I did put it in half though, because it was getting really big. Here's the other part. Pretty nice still. But then here's the other part where I tried to make it more fluffy. And I like the color of the other one more, because this one got a little bit too light, so I'm gonna add some paint. Hopefully it doesn't ruin it. But here it is, it's really sizzly. It was more silly before, but I added some stuff.
You guys want to see mine?
Paul's, I'm gonna have to admit, guys, looks actually pretty good.
This is mine.
He used my recollection glitter.
But it looks really nice, Ameerah. And I also made this out of it too. But this one you can't stretch. Beat that, Ameerah.
Okay, I'm gonna add some more snow. It's going pretty good, I think. I like it.
And now imagine that, but in this color.
Okay, this is my brownies, guys. Ta-da! Beautiful, am I right? Okay, I think I'm gonna add some more lotion though because I kind of want it to be a little bit softer. So add some more hearts. Ta-da! Okay, well here's the slime that I made, guys. It's called brownie compulsion. What is it called? I forgot what they're called. Compulsion bunny? I don't know, but they're the brownies with the little sprinkles in it. That's what this one is. I think it looks really pretty. What do you think, Paul? Paul doesn't think it's pretty. I don't know why. I think it's really cool. I love the compulsion brownies. Is that what they're called? I think it's so cool.
I like how fluffy it is.
Alright, you guys got to know who would you like better, Team Paul or Team Ameerah?
Team Paul.
Team Ameerah.
And Team Paul. But that one doesn't count really because it's not really slime.
Ooh, Paul's is nice.
But you need to put glitter in yours.
Okay, Paul's telling me to add more hearts, so I'm gonna add more hearts. There. You happy, Paul?
Yes, that looks much better.
Guys. Hashtag Team Ameerah! Guys, I hope you liked today's video. Make sure you comment down below if you guys want me to do a part 2. I'm pretty sure I could find some other ugly slimes, or I could do like a different one. It's called Slime Makeover. I don't know, but yeah. Okay, well guys, that is it. I love you so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye!